odd sample 3. We are given root 20 plus root 45. How do we solve this? So we're given root 20 plus root 45. Now how do we simplify this? Recall would perform the basic sort form for the both of them, then would continue from there. So recall that 4 times 5. Remember, 4 has a perfect square, right? If you square 4, you are going to be having 2. So you'd go down and say the square root of 4 is 2, isn't it? So the square root of 2 times 5. Then you go down again, bring out your 2 down, leave the 5. Now let's go with the one for 45. 9 times 5 would give us 45. 9 times 5, isn't it? 9 times 5 would give us 45. And the square root of 9 is what? 3, isn't it? 3 times 5. Next, we'll bring out our 3 plus 3. 3 square root of 5. Now note, since we have 5 here, this 5, and we also have 5 here. 5 square root of 5 and square root of 5, they would act like you would become, think of it like x. Because you have square root of 5 here and square root of 5 here, we can actually add 3 and 2 together. So the next step would be 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Open bracket, square root of, you pick one of the 5, root 5, close bracket. So 2 plus 3 is 5, right? So your final answer is 5 root 5. This is our final answer for this one. The next we have here, we are having 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2. 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2. Note, we have root 2 here and root 2 here, and so they are similar. And if they are similar, we can actually add the numbers at the front. We could add these 3 and this 5 together. So I would say 3 plus 5 in bracket root 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. Open your bracket, root 2. And this will be the final answer for this one. Very short. And the next here, we have 3 root 8 minus 7 root 2. This one is a little bit different, but here's how we would go about it. Since we can actually reduce the number 8, and because in the number 8 there is 4, and 4 has a perfect square. So the first thing, we write our 3 and we say root 8 times, root 4 times 2. Remember, 4 times 2 is 8, right? Minus 7 root 2. Now, we'll go down. We say 3. Square root of 4 is 2, right? So 2 times 2 minus 7 root 2. Next, we'll bring out our 2. You say 3 in bracket 2, close bracket, the square root of 2 minus 7 root 2. And next, 3 times 2 would get 6. So write out 6 root 2 minus 7 root 2. Remember, we said whenever we have root 2 here and root 2 here, we could add the numbers at the front of the radicals or square roots. So we'd say 6 minus 7, open bracket, would pick 1, just root 2, close bracket. 6 minus 7 will give us minus 1, and our final answer is minus 1 root 2. This is our final answer. You win. Just believe. Please, I'll be open to more questions, and I'll also drop questions below. Ask, and if you don't get this, I would also make another for you. Thank you.